Hello everyone, how are you all? Let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE with India's largest learning platform and academy. Crack all the CBSE exams with us. All the top educators are going to teach you the quality content and you are going to have a great learning experience. So, hello my dear scholars, I am G. Vijay Manorama. As teaching is my passion, I am here. You can find more about me at the rate of Manuvedam 7472. As I like to inspire students to set their goals and achieve that, I have mentored many students for NTSC and CBSE board examinations. So crack all the CBSE exams with India's largest learning platform by getting the Plus subscription so that you can access unlimited live and recorded courses from India's best educators. So what are the other benefits you will get? Let me tell you. So daily live classes you have, structured courses you have, live tests and quizzes, unlimited access. मल्टीपल एजुकेटर्स आर देयर, आप जिनसे चाहे आप उनसे पढ़ सकते हो. So structured courses, all the courses were designed in such a manner that each and every topic is going to be very much helpful for you, which is covering each and every concept in a clear cut manner. Okay, so live tests and quizzes which will evaluate your preparation with regular mock tests and quizzes and give you a detailed analysis of your performance. With one subscription, unlimited access you will get of live and recorded courses. आप जितनी बार चाहे उतनी बार आप देख सकते हो. So these are few of the top educators who are going to teach you in the platform the comprehensive syllabus of mathematics, social science, Hindi, English and science, which is included with physics, chemistry and bio. We are in touch with Telegram app also. Quest and CBSE is our channel where you will get all the updates. So here we have a new form of subscription which is called as iconic subscription, where you will get personal mentorship, parent connection, like uh, like in the schools we have no parent teacher meeting, like that they can contact parents can contact with the educators. So whatever the doubts are there, live doubt solving session will be conducted, study planners will be given, weekly report you will get. So here these parents can find out the position of the child, okay, where his child is. So complete 360 degrees support system it is. So along with all the benefits, so iconic subscription and plus subscription also we have. So in the an academy let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE channel we have this iconic subscription also. So along with that, creative corner also which is present. Creative corner the complementary with the CBSE. Okay, if you take the subscription this will be the complementary thing. So which is included with Vedic maths, doodling, public speaking, origami, magic tricks, poetry, storytelling, robotics, mathematics, next debating, these all things also you will get. So tomorrow and day of today 17th of October and 18th of October celebrating. So for that you can register yourself, you can enjoy all these things and you can find out which one is suitable for you. So here is the plus subscription and iconic subscription, whatever you want you can go. So when you are in class 10th boards, so these two are the very good option, anything you can go. So when you are applying my code for using for taking the subscription, you will get instantly 10% of reduction. Then 1 month will be of 3000 rupees, 6 months will be 10,000 rupees, 12 months will be of 15,000 rupees, 18 months will be of 20,000 rupees. Okay, so SP Vijaya is my code. When you are applying, this is also for special classes. This also you can get. Okay. So here is 24 months it is. और iconic subscription है ये. यहाँ तक 18 months का है आपका. Okay. 12 months subscription. It is 28,000. Means it is a iconic subscription. Not only SP Vijaya, you can go with the VM CBSE. Any code you can use. Okay, these are the cost. If you have already taken, you want to opt for iconic subscription, you can go for that. Okay, this is the code SPVG or VMCBSC. Anything you can use. VMCBSC. Any code you can use. Both are mine only. So that you will get 10% of reduction. An Academy Learning app you have to install. Goal for CBSE class 10th is the second part which you have to do. Now the third thing is which you have to do. You have to take the subscription. They the referral code they'll ask. You have to write on VMCBSC. Okay, when you are using VMCBSC, instantly 10% of reduction you will get. Then happy learning. Your learning will start after the payment, and definitely you will get A1. So today also I am with such thing only, 100 days strategy for CBSE boards 2021. Okay, so what is this 100 days strategy? Why madam you have given 100 days when all are doing what 3 months, 2 months? So one, see, generally our mind will accept with the numbers. Okay, so if I say only 2 days left, then you will be only 2 months left. You will, your mind will accept with the 2 only, you will feel tense. But if I say 100 days, so you'll say, oh, 100 days are there, so I can do that. Positivity will increase. That's why I have given the now this session name as 100 days strategy for CBSE boards 2021. So first of all, what you have to do to go for this, you have to be clear cut idea of the about the board examination. So actually dates were tentative, date is already given, it is from February 15, but again few news in the newspapers and few channels they are telling that it may uh, go 45 minutes to 45 days to 60 days later the exam will conduct, 50% syllabus will reduce. So leave about those all things, but your practice strategy must be in a proper channel. So that's why I'm making this. Why? So these all are things when you are prepared with the topics, you when you are prepared with the all the subjects, then whenever they conduct, you are ready to write. No, yes. So that's why I came with this thought that 100 day strategy. Whatever the idea I am giving, if you are very much strictly following and stick to this strategy, definitely you are going to get overall A1, because everyone want the every parent want their child to be in the A1. So for that, how much your effort? So many times you may feel that you compare yourself, your parents compare yourself, they compare yourself with your friends or your elders or your neighbors or anyone. So first look at yourself, how much you are prepared for the examination. Look at yourself, how much content you got. Look at yourself, how well you are prepared. Look at yourself, what you are going to prove to your parents. Okay, so these all things keep in the mind. So Dave, after watching this video, hope you will get a clear cut idea about each and every subject. So go and stand in front of the mirror, speak to yourself, look into your own eyes in the mirror and speak yourself and decide how much you have covered the syllabus till now. Okay, if you have not covered the syllabus, right now onwards you start. If you have already somewhat you have practiced, you want to go in a proper channel you towards the success and towards the board examination, so this is the right session which you are attending now. Watch the complete video, like the session, share with your friends. 100% I'm telling that this is going to be very much helpful. So I'm going to give you a day wise planning study planner. I'm going to give you, it is not a printed one, you can you can prepare of yourself. First thing, and stick around the your study area. This thing you stick around the study area. When you are going to stick this complete thing around the study area, so your analysis you will understand that how many chapters you have covered, how many chapters you need to cover. These all things you are going to get now in this 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so what is the syllabus? First, be clear means what? Be clear with the syllabus. Okay, be clear with the syllabus. What is the syllabus? What are the types of questions you will get in the examinations? So generally the types of questions which comes in the examination, as per the new sample paper which was revised a few days back only, already regarding the physics I have made a session, so where so many children benefited with the practice session, the analysis of the paper and all we have done. So now it's time to understand which type of questions you will get and which type of questions you are going to come across in the board examination. So types of questions are included with remembering questions, understanding questions, applying. Here I am writing. So your questions are included with typology, types of questions. Typology of questions were included with remembering, okay, remembering, understanding, understanding, applying, application type questions, applying, analyzing, evaluating, evaluating, and and creating. So these all types of questions are included in the question paper. So that question paper, by seeing the sample paper, we got a clear cut idea that the types of questions which are included there, they are total concepts of NCRT. Not even a single sentence beyond the NCRT it was went on. So whatever the topics we discuss in the class, that only in the form of remembering, in the form of applying, in the form of understanding, in the form of analyzing, in the form of evaluating, and in the form of creating, it was included. So the first thing, you understand the syllabus, because the revised syllabus which was 30% of the syllabus was removed. So the topics which are given from the all the subjects, from all the subjects, that you have to cover, first preference you have to give for NCRT. Okay, so in the along with NCRT, few reference books you can take, few reference books you can take. There also you have to see the syllabus of 30% revised syllabus which was removed. Okay, 30% syllabus which was removed, the reference books which you are going to take, the notes which you have already prepared. Okay, so these are the reference books which you are going to follow, the notes which you are going to follow, videos which you are going to follow. These all things, be ready with this. Okay, these all things you be ready with this. After watching the video, that one day you take to arrange all these things. See, whatever the study planner I'm going to tell you, so within few minutes I'm going to give you a clear cut idea. Okay, so be clear first, this thing is you all are clear. So clarity must be there. What are the topics you are going to cover, what are the topics already covered, how much you are strong in that, which areas you are weak, which areas you are strong, those all things already you have an idea. Be clear means the clarity must be there, which percentage you want, which rank you want. For that, what is the strategy you are going to follow, what you are going to do. So these all things, first thing clear, be clear. Next thing is NCRT. NCRT, along with NCRT only everything must be NCRT, along with that some reference books, NCRT along with that whatever the notes you have prepared, NCRT along with the videos which you are going to watch. So these all things must be ready. So now it's time to speak about the study planner. So these all things on a table, on a table you are going to arrange, you are going to arrange. Okay, on a table you are going to arrange few highlighters, means complete stationery must be there. Huh? Complete state like pen, pencil, eraser, scale, whatever, because for every subject needs are different. So highlighters are enough. Don't go for colors, coloring diagrams and all, you will practice now, it's not needed. So some relaxed time when you will get, at that time you can do. So this 100 days strategy which you are going to follow, first thing, understand which type of questions you got already in the sample paper. Sample papers already CBSE has released. Once go through with those sample papers. Okay, already the revised syllabus which was already announced, that you have to finally mark, because the same ncrt book which you are going to follow, in which the deleted chapters also there, so you just give a line that this part is removed. Okay, so that you will feel little means not weighing, you will not feel like that something is weighing. Okay, so something is like, okay, very less 70% syllabus which I have to cover completely in the form of 100%, so that your mindset will be feel okay, free, little only I have to read. Okay, so that will give you a positive energy to work a lot. Okay, so 100% syllabus how you are reading, 70% you have to read with 100%. Bas, it is a very good thing, no? So next, after that, clear your table completely, clean your table around the table, around the study place where you are going, where you are going to read and all. So there you just arrange the few positive thoughts which will give, which will motivate you. Okay, then the books which you are going to arrange, books which you are going to read, all the ncrt books, along with that whatever the notes you have prepared, along with that whatever the reference books which you are going to follow, along with the means in the youtube and all you watch videos and academy videos where all the teachers are covering everything. So these all things will give you a very good idea of all the content. But final thing, remember, don't neglect ncrt, don't go for, don't give first preference to any other, first give preference to ncrt. And unacademy is very much strict to that. Unacademy let's crack ninth and 10th cbse is purely curated with the ncrt, so all the educators are following very strictly this ncrt, so just go for it. So now it's time to speak about the study planner. So what is this study planner? In any notes notebook when you take, you will find the index page. What that index page speaks? Serial numbers, chapter name, which pages you have written, remarks and signature of the teacher, and the student will write these all, finally teacher will see and sign that. Yes, so here our study planner is little matching with that only. The index page means it is study planner for each subject. For each subject, how you have to do? First, write down the subject, subject name. Suppose you are writing about science, as I am a basically science teacher, so I am speaking about science. The same thing you can follow for all the subjects. And one more thing, whole week when you are going to cover, you are going to give more preference to all the subjects. Okay, give preference to all the subjects you are going to cover, and give more preference to subjects. Languages can be covered in a separate manner. Okay, so here about science when I am speaking, you can include with social and mathematics also. Here these all things will be so included index page. Okay, study planner you give the, just keep in the mind how the index page is, seem like that only, few extra columns are included in the study planner. So one subject book if you take, you are going to cover it completely with ncrt examples, where most of the hot questions, high order thinking questions you get from that ncrt examples in the examination. Previous year question papers you have to solve. Okay, so in the question bank, see uh, how many varieties of questions you are going to get, those all things also you are going to cover. So here in this first thing, lesson names you will write. So serial number it is, lesson name. Okay, in text question, in text questions, insert. Next, ncrt exercises means which are behind the chapter, behind the chapter, the ncert exercises means lesson back the exercises which you have. Okay, after that ncert exemplars. After that, NCRT. NCRT, you whatever the lesson name you will write. In text questions. Okay, lesson back exercises. So NCRT exemplars you are going to read. Next, previous year question papers. 5 years, 5 years sufficient. Okay. After that, sample papers. Okay. So this is the thing which you have to follow. First, you have to make a note of all this. For each subject, you have to take a printout of this, or else very beautifully, if you are able to write, take 1 day time to design these all things. Already today is 16th. When I am going to, when I am conducting this 16th, on 16th 12, 12:30, I am going to 12:30 it is, huh? 1 o'clock. So like that, when I have released this, so evening at least, or immediately after this session, you can plan yourself. Okay. So you just plan yourself each subject one A4 sheet. One sheet must be which are included with all the chapters name. Suppose here physics light chapter you are reading. Light, reflection and refraction. Okay. This you have, this is the first topic which you have chosen. In text one, lesson concept, in text questions and concept reading. Okay. NCRT textbook you will read. NCRT textbook, the concept you will read. While reading only in text, some 4 or 5 questions you will get. Those all questions you have solved. So by the end of the day, you have to do this for all the subjects. After that, you are going to cover lesson behind the chapter, whatever the question answers, whatever the exercises you have, those all things you are going to cover. After that, you are going to cover all the exemplars, where most of the hot question you get. Okay. After that, same chapter, previous year 5 years question papers you are going to solve, where if come across, if come across with these chapter question answers, those all things you are going to read. Okay. And then at least one 1 to 10 sample papers you are going to solve. At least 10 sample papers you are going to solve. Okay. So this is the analysis which you have to write, the study planner which you have to prepare this. So that chapter if you have finished, you are going to tick like this, like this. If you have missed any, suppose electricity chapter I have written, in text questions you have done, reading is finished, exemplars you went, previous year questions you don't want to do, you went to sample papers. But few children, many children, most of the children, what they do, without any planning, simply they go for the examination. And oh, these questions, after coming out the examination, when he want to check such type of question that is present in it, in his or her NCRT textbook only. So without any proper planning, without any proper action plan, if you go to examination, it is a very big headache for you. So that's why make this study planner like this. All the subjects, whether you have covered or not, all the topics you have covered or not. So like this with ticks you can check. Okay. After, if one chapter you have finished, okay, each chapter for each subject you have to prepare like this. And serial number means lesson number, lesson name you have to write, NCRT question answers and concept reading, this is one of the column. NCRT exercises behind the chapter, this is one of the column. NCRT exemplars or hot questions, most of the hot questions are from NCRT exemplars only. And 5 years previous year question papers. Okay. And sample papers also you need to solve around 1 to 10 question papers, sample papers you have to solve by sitting that 3 hours of time. Okay. So now what is the idea? Okay. So this chapter you have completely finished. So एक star तो बनता है. Pat yourself by giving a star to you. Okay. Appreciate yourself. If you start appreciating yourself, you can do miracles. Okay. Okay. Star, you have to give star. So next, You have missed a few things here. So next day, at least when you are going for the next chapter, you will come to know that, oh, you have not read this. That's why you are facing difficulty in previous year question paper. That's why you have facing difficulty in NCERT exemplars. That's why you have faced difficulty in sample papers to solve. So that you will understand, and again when you come across this, and you will finish it off. So again you star yourself. Okay, so like that for every subject you plan, like this for every subject it must be stick around. So one thing you remember, whenever if you are reading physics, see what you feel, you have only five subjects like Hindi, English or any language, both the languages, math, science, social. But each and every like social you have same economics, geography, civics, like that. In the science if you see, you have physics, chemistry and bio. So you are going to cover everything, you are going to cover everything, because all the subjects you are going to write in the final examination. So for every subject you are going to plan first this analysis sheet, study planner which you are going to make, and you are going to stick around. Okay, so when you are going to read, you are going to start already prepared, this thing is fixed. Now you are going to start practicing. So some subject you have taken, either maths, physics, whatever the subject you have taken, and you want to read, but around it you have to be very clear with that, that you are reading physics and you are not around you social books are lying, or around you science books are lying. Suddenly you are reading something in the physics, and suddenly by seeing that some other subject book, you get an idea that yes, 2 days back my math sir has given some homework, my English teacher has given some homework to write down an article, so let me write down. So this physics book, so this physics book you will keep it aside, and you will start reading this English, you will start writing article writing. Okay, start writing the article. So where, what is the loss? What is the loss? You have not finished English, you have not finished physics also. When you are reading one subject, stick on to that subject only. After finishing that subject only, you go for something else. Hope you have understood this. So this study planner is going to be very much helpful for you. So down in the description box, you will find so many questions in the form of question bank series. I have prepared for physics. You need not to search for any other questions or anything. NCRT exemplars also I have already done. So just go for it, my dear children. Okay. So what is the hope? This is going to be very much helpful within this 100 days. Within this 100 days means how much? Already it is October 16th. So start from October 17th. 17th October, 17th November, 17th December, 17th Jan. So from here, how many days were left? Completely, if you cover this, you can revise and you can practice sample papers. No, you can practice the sample papers. So you have to sit 3 hours to write, and after that you have to check where the mistake is got, and that you have to rectify then and there itself. So you have to be completely dedicated towards your studies. Okay, hope this is going to be very much helpful. All of you take the print, stick around your study area, and start ticking which chapters you have already covered. And if you have covered that chapter completely with all these ticks, give yourself a star. Okay, so then this will motivate you a lot to do more and more. Okay, so next one, so how this planning must be? Every 1 week has 7 days. Madam, you are telling like this, but how to plan you may get, how to plan you may get the get the thought, how to plan that also you only tell, ma'am. So many children are asking. So this 1 week plan also I am giving, so where you have to spend complete time with all the subjects I mean without languages, the physics, chemistry, bio, maths, geography, civics, psycho, pole science. Okay, so these all things you are going to cover. Everything you have to cover within this week. So how you are going to plan, which time you are going to read, that I am not it, because I can't tell. Few children they like to read night, few children they like to read in the morning. आपके लिए सेल्फ स्टडी भी बहुत जरूरी है अभी. So okay, so you watch our videos, you will get very much clear cut idea about each and every concept. In YouTube every day 9 p.m. एनसीईआरटी की सीरीज चल रही है 9 p.m. को. हमें every chapter I am in a detailed manner I am teaching you. So now magnetic effects of current is going on. So most of the children are getting benefited. Why can't you? You also go and watch my video. Attend the class every day at 9 p.m. Okay. So 1-2 days, what you will do? First day and second day, NCERT concepts you are going to read from the NCERT book only. Okay. 3 to 5 days. Here, if all the concepts are clear, so few reference books also you are going to check. Along with that reference books, NCERT exemplars you are going to read, because 3, 4, 5, 3 days you have. Next day, next sixth day is for PYQs on sample papers. PYQs or sample papers. Previous year question papers or sample papers which you are going to do. If you have the question bank, or else if you don't have the question bank, watch my videos. If you have the question banks, also watch my videos. If you have question bank, just to see each chapter, how many years onwards, which type of questions you are getting, those all things you must be clear. So by sixth day, you are going to cover everything. Whatever you are going to read, everything you are going to cover within 6 days, because languages also we need. So here in this I have not mentioned languages. So seventh day is for languages and relaxing and motivate yourself. Relax and motivate yourself for for next week. 1 week you have finished. No, 1 week you have finished here. So next week you have to go like this. How many days? 100 days plan. You have to plan. You have to plan yourself. First one, study planner you are going to fix around. Positive thoughts you are going to fix around. All the highlighters, all the pencil, pen, everything, the pouch must be ready with all the books in your study area. And maintain that neatness in the study area, because whichever subjects you are reading, those subjects only must be lying around you, so that you can cover everything. Okay, whichever concepts you are reading, those that concept you can read along with the books. So prepare your own notes. Okay, don't do that screenshot I have taken this that. No, write, practice, practice. जितना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना अच्छा रहेगा. तो 6 days का ये स्ट्रैटेजी खत्म. सो सेवेंथ डे में क्या करोगे? लैंग्वेजेस पढ़ोगे, रिलैक्स हो जाओगे, चिल मारोगे, and you will motivate yourself. Every day in front of the mirror you stand and speak to yourself how much you have covered, whether you are planning, what you have done, you have covered those all things or not. So this will give you a very good result, I feel. So that's why I hope you all are going to follow this. Okay, 100 days planner. Okay, so it's time to take the plus subscription or iconic subscription. So here is my code VMCBSE. When you are going to use my code VMCBSE, you will get a 10% of reduction, and you are going to get A1 in the final examination. Very good. So that's very so simple it is. So just go for this study planner, which I like, which I thought a lot, and I have designed this. So study planner, you just go and watch this. And so if you have question bank, in that question bank only, or if you have previous year question papers, in that whichever topic you are reading, those related questions only first you are going to cover. उसको पहले कवर करने के बाद ही you go for the all other questions. Okay, chapter wise and final analysis with a star. Okay, so SP Vijaya is also my code, where you will get it is a special class code. For SP Vijaya also you will get 10% of reduction. So for your Unacademy iconic subscription. Okay, so here 36 months also there. Okay, so then with by using my code you will get 10% of reduction. So happily join and continue your studies with a great mood. Okay, BM CBSE is my code. ये है हमारा यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, बहुत बार मैंने बताया. सो इसको ले लो और 10% का रिडक्शन के बाद हंसी खुशी अपनी पढ़ाई करोगे एंड यू विल गेट टॉप A1. Okay, every day in the special classes I am taking 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. Just come and attend my classes. Okay, so every day I am taking at 2 p.m. in the YouTube also 1000 PYQs of NTSC. Okay, 1000 PYQs of NTSC. Only physics I am covering here in the YouTube Let's Crack 9th and 10th CBSE channel. Here science and math I am covering, mental ability. Okay, in the app. Okay, so just go for it. Hope this session is very much helpful for you. Thank you one and all.